So first thing, and it's a harsh truth, is rarely you can plan your day as a product manager. Overall, if I have to look at the things that are important in any specific day, is first thing which is common across all the days is you have to interact with your team, because whether you call it a daily or whether you call it a stand-up, you need to have that meeting with your team just to think, just to wrinkle out things, if they need anything from you. That's pretty important. Other thing is there are certain metrics that you have to keep an eye on. For example, whether your product is performing well, whether it's not performing well, are there any red flags that you need to consider? If everything is working fine, so you need to keep a track on those. uh, Third is, if I have to bucketize other task, is all meetings. Now these meetings can be planned, and more often than not these are unplanned. you know so all the meetings with your customer success team, your sales, and customers as well. Sometimes you directly get an email from the customer saying your product is not working properly, or they have some feedback to share. So it's interesting to hop onto a call and have that interaction. And then you have to spend some time on documentation, because it's very important. You take a lot of decisions on your product day to day, so you need to document those. So I think these are certain areas where you spend most of the time. But again, you can't plan. You have to jungle between things.